Hold on to your hats, Earthlings. NASA scientists are gearing up for a real-life cosmic blockbuster, a potential asteroid impact. They're fine-tuning their strategies because in just a few short years, a colossal space rock could swing by terrifyingly close. Get ready to meet Apophis, our closest known asteroid neighbor that could seriously ruin our day. This behemoth has the power to level a city with ease. Yes, you heard that right. Astronauts and space experts are wrestling with this impending threat. The countdown is on, and NASA is laser-focused on the possibility of an asteroid careening towards our planet. We all know that asteroid Apophis is slated for a nail-biting close shave with Earth in the coming years, and astronomers worldwide are on high alert, eager to witness this rare celestial spectacle. But lately, scientists are sounding the alarm. NASA has just revealed they're running an all-out drill to prepare for a potentially devastating asteroid encounter. They're warning us that recent calculations paint a grim picture. An asteroid is hurtling our way, and there's a staggering 72% chance it could slam into Earth. So buckle up as we dive into why NASA scientists are suddenly on edge about this looming asteroid threat, and what incredible measures they're taking to avert this apocalyptic scenario. We want to be able to get a spacecraft out there weeks to months, they explain, to get a look at Apophis before that close encounter with Earth. Apophis, a massive asteroid discovered on June 19, 2004 by astronomers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi, measures an astonishing 370 meters across, roughly the size of 3.5 football fields. That's one seriously hefty space rock, and a collision would unleash unimaginable devastation. Apophis is set to make a jaw-droppingly close pass on April 13, 2029. This date is historic because the asteroid will zip past Earth closer than many of our orbiting satellites. At its closest, Apophis will be a mere 310,000 kilometers from our planet's surface. That's about a tenth of the distance to the Moon. This will be the closest any asteroid of its magnitude has ever come to Earth in recorded history. And incredibly, it's expected to be visible to the naked eye in some parts of the world as a swift streak of light. Right now, Apophis is a distant traveler, cruising through space on its solar orbit, its exact whereabouts constantly shifting due to its incredible speed and the gravitational pull of other celestial bodies. Scientists meticulously track its position using powerful telescopes and radar to ensure they have pinpoint accuracy on its trajectory. When Apophis was first spotted, there was serious apprehension about a potential impact in 2029. Early calculations hinted at a small but undeniable possibility. But with more observations and refined calculations, scientists have now definitively ruled out an impact in 2029. The risk has been completely eliminated, and current models show Apophis soaring safely past our planet. But fear not. This super-close approach presents an unparalleled opportunity for scientists to study the asteroid up close, potentially unlocking vital secrets about these near-Earth objects. While Apophis won't be hitting us in 2029, scientists are keeping a vigilant eye on it. There's a chance Earth's gravity could subtly nudge its orbit during the 2029 flyby, altering its path for future encounters. A date to circle on the calendar? April 13, 2036. When Apophis is slated for another close pass. If Earth's gravitational embrace significantly alters its orbit in 2029, that 2036 encounter could pose a threat. But the million-dollar question remains, are we truly ready? If we could identify a dangerous asteroid with enough lead time, theoretically, we could do something to steer it off course. NASA recently wrapped up a high-stakes hypothetical exercise, putting our planet's asteroid defense readiness to the ultimate test. The simulation plunged participants into a scenario where a previously undetected asteroid, hidden by its orbit around the Sun, was on a direct collision course with Earth. This asteroid, estimated to be large enough to unleash widespread regional destruction, was projected to strike in 2038. Participants were informed that the asteroid was between 60 and 800 meters across, with a chilling 72% probability of impact. Despite a 14-year warning, the exercise concluded with a stark reality. Humanity is currently woefully unprepared to avert such a catastrophe. Early observations were too vague to pinpoint the asteroid's size, composition, or exact trajectory. To make matters worse, the asteroid was expected to disappear behind the Sun, rendering it invisible for a critical 7 months. This drill starkly exposed several critical hurdles in planetary defense. One of the biggest challenges is our limited ability to deflect or disrupt an asteroid on short notice. Current technologies like kinetic impactors or nuclear devices require years of development and testing to become viable options. Moreover, seamless international collaboration and coordination are absolutely paramount, as the impact of an asteroid would be a global crisis. This recent exercise serves as a critical wake-up call for the world, urging us to prioritize planetary defense. It's a stark reminder that while asteroid impacts are infrequent, the threat is very real and demands proactive measures to safeguard our planet. Earth's most recent flirtation with asteroid danger was just 8 years ago, when a celestial body the size of a 6-story building seemingly materialized out of thin air. The Chelyabinsk meteor, a relatively small asteroid about the height of a 6-story building, spectacularly disintegrated over Chelyabinsk, Russia, on February 15, 2013. The resulting blast was more powerful than a nuclear explosion, triggering detections from monitoring stations as far away as Antarctica. Some scientists even theorize the meteor was so luminous it may have briefly outshone the Sun. This incident served as yet another urgent reminder to space agencies about the vital importance of tracking smaller celestial bodies that could pose a threat to Earth. And the good news? We've recently had a success story. A near miss with a small asteroid over Germany, accurately predicted and tracked by NASA's Scout Impact Hazard Assessment System, showcased our growing capabilities in monitoring such objects. Designated 2024 BX1, the asteroid disintegrated harmlessly in Earth's atmosphere, but it was a powerful real-world demonstration of NASA's planetary defense prowess. However, the recent hypothetical international planetary defense exercise still casts a shadow of concern over how we truly handle a genuine asteroid crisis. As NASA's Planetary Defense Officer Emeritus, Lindley Johnson, emphasized, we need as much information about asteroid size and trajectory as possible to avoid the practical problems created by uncertainty. This exercise unequivocally signals that there's still a vast amount of work to be done in terms of global preparedness for these cosmic calamities. Don't forget to subscribe for more and like this video for it to also reach a wider audience. Thank you.